Revision, revision, revision. One common word that every NEET PG aspirant is hearing now, isn't it? The most common slogan you will get is, the more you revise, the more better your rank will be. Yes, true, I agree. But you just don't need statements. You need some guidance to make your preparation and your revisions much better. That thought made me do this video. But before all that, let me ask you a question. How are your revisions going? Fast? Slow? Satisfactory? Not satisfactory? Okay, let it be anyway. But from now, keep the things that I'm going to tell you in your mind. They will really help you to pick up and realign yourself to work more in this crucial period of preparation to NEET PG exam. But before I tell that, did you subscribe to my channel Dr. JTM? If not, go subscribe it and also click bell icon for notification. With no delay, let's start the pro tips to revise effectively. Hey guys, if you're new here, this is Dr. JT, General Medicine Resident and a part-time YouTuber, and I welcome you to my channel Dr. JTM. This revision period is really crucial. Every minute counts and everything you study should be very important. That's the reason why I have made the spot revision notes for medicine, surgery and obs gynae. These notes will be crisp, conceptual and very easy to complete. They will really help you in saving your time and also get some better marks in those subjects. If you haven't got those notes, then the links to download those PDF notes is given below in the description. Go check out. And if you want to check the samples of these notes, then I have posted them on my Instagram. Go follow me on my Instagram. The link is given below. Pro tip number 1. Purpose of revision. The first and foremost question that you need to ask yourself right now, just before 20 days to NEET PG exam, is what is the purpose of revision? If you think the purpose of revision is to just complete the reading of all 19 subjects and just do grand tests, then definitely you are wrong. The purpose of revision is to make you remember the topics for a long time, for improving your memory. Because just revising the subjects blindly and reading them blindly won't really help you in retaining the topics. And this revision should help you get some confidence. Many PG aspirants are saying that they have started the revision but they are feeling low, they are depressed and they don't know whether they will do well in the exam or not. That fear and dilemma shouldn't be there when you are revising. But how to improve your memory and get some confidence while revising the subjects? That will be pro tip number 3. Keep watching. Pro tip number 2. Enjoying the revisions with no stress. Enjoying the revisions? Hello mister, we are just 20 days away to give the NEET PG exam and you are saying us to not to feel any stress and enjoy the revisions? That's what you're thinking, right? Okay, let me tell you something. Whenever you start a revision, you will start with the fear of, will I be able to complete this subject? There are a lot of topics that I have to read. Will I get a seat? How will be the counseling? What rank should I get? All those things are building stress within you. You are starting a day with negative reinforcement. That's not good at all. Instead, you start enjoying what you study in that day. Begin your day telling that you are going to do as much as possible and you are going to give your best. I'm telling you, do not think about the post-exam consequences. You will not enjoy this revision phase. Instead, you think how you can get beyond the line of target by doing effective revisions. Pro tip number 3. Recollect, study, memorize, confidence. This is the perfect order on how you should study all the 19 subjects in an effective way. I will explain how. Let me give an example. You started revision of medicine and you opened the topic called SLE. Before you look into the subject or before you look into the book, just close your eyes and try to recollect about SLE. This is not the first time that you are reading SLE, right? You have already read it once, now you are revising. So challenge your memory. Try to recollect as much as possible. This will actually improve your photogenic memory and also cement the things that you have studied previously. While recollecting, if you have difficulty at one place like etiology part or treatment part, that's when you look into the book. That's how you fill the missing blanks in your memory. And if you do the same thing in the exam, then definitely you will do well. If you could recollect the same way, it will definitely give you confidence and the fear of forgetting will go away and it will save a lot of time for you. Pro tip 4. Subject within subject revision. This is a multi-layered revision method. How does this actually work? Let me give you an example. You started revision of medicine and you opened SLE. In the genetic causes of SLE, they will mention Klinefelter's and Turner syndrome. at that moment itself, try to recollect at least 3 to 4 points of Klinefelters and Turners within 2 to 3 minutes. In the same way, when you are revising pancreatitis, in the treatment part they will mention NSAIDs and fluid management. At that moment itself, you try to recollect about the mechanism of action or side effects of NSAIDs, which is a quick recollection of pharmacology. In the same way, when you are revising the Klinefelters and Turners in the peds or in the pathology, you need to recollect, yes, I have read about this, or when I have recollected about this when I am doing SLE. That's how you can retain the topics for a long time. And also you'll feel that your revisions are going very better and you'll get all the positive force to work more and revise more. Pro tip number 5, stick notes method. Not all the subjects are conceptual, some are fact based, and how much ever we try, we forget them and we keep on making the same mistakes from those topics in MCQ modules and also in the grand tests. But how to overcome this problem during this revision time? You need to make your brain to look into those topics daily. When you hear a song on a repeated mode, at one particular point you will start singing the lyrics out. Your brain got used to that song. In the same way, you need to make your brain look into those topics and feed your brain daily. So write those things on stick notes and stick them on your study table or on the wall in your study room and look at them daily during your break time. And if you think that you don't have much time to make the stick notes, then I have made 175 stick notes from all the 19 subjects which will really help you during this revision time. The link to download that PDF is given below in the description. Go get it. All these methods are followed by me during my preparation to NEET PG. All these pro tips really helped me in the last days to NEET PG exam. That gave me a lot of confidence. I used to focus more. I never had that feeling of letting down myself. That's what you need ultimately at the end of the day. Self-confidence, the power of feeling that you can do, and the will to make things possible. Follow the tips, revise well, score well. All the very best. That's all for today. Hope you loved this video about the revision in the preparation to NEET PG exam. If so, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Dr. JTM. And also, if you have any doubts regarding revision or anything about NEET PG exam, I'm open to talk on Instagram and Telegram. The links are given below. And also, do not miss my revision notes. There will be real plus point during this preparation time for you in the last moment. I'll be coming back with another great video. Till then, bye. See you again.